This video is looking at foreign exchange and in particular changing from British money to another foreign currency. Now many countries use different currencies, although Britain still uses the Great British Pound, sometimes referred to as pound sterling, and we all know the pound sign. Euros are widely used in Europe, and dollars are used in several places around the world. To change from British money to foreign money, we need to look at the exchange rate for the currency in that country to see how much of it we get per pound. We then multiply the amount of pounds we want to change by the exchange rate, and that gives us the amount of the foreign currency. An exchange rate is how much of your country's currency buys another foreign currency. For some countries, exchange rates constantly change, while others use a fixed exchange rate. The economic and social outlook of a country will influence its currency exchange rate compared to other countries. As of 2019, the foreign exchange market trades $6.6 trillion a day. Now the rule, when changing from British money to foreign money, always multiply by the exchange rate. Now these exchange rates will be different depending on where you're changing your money, whether it's online or in a bank or post office. But £1 buys each of these different currencies, and you would then multiply by that exchange rate to see how much of that foreign currency you would get. So for example, if we wanted to change into Japanese yen, we would multiply by 139.39. Now in our first example, Ryan's going on the school Paris trip. His mum gives him £60 to change into euros. How many euros will he get? So the first thing we need to do is identify which of the exchange rates we want to use. And we're being told that it's euros, and we also know that Paris is in Europe, so it's the top exchange rate of £1 buys 1.12 euros. So Ryan's mum gave him £60, so we need to multiply the £60 by the exchange rate. So 60 multiplied by 1.12 is going to give us 67.2 if we're using a calculator. Now remember, money has 2 decimal places and must always have a unit. So we need to write our answer with a 0 on the end in order to make it 67 euros and 20 cents, and we need the euro sign. If we don't know what the currency sign is, then we can always write it in words, so we can write it as 67.20 euros. Now in our second example, Emma buys a top for £54.99 when she's in America. How many dollars did it cost her? So what we need to do is work out which of these exchange rates we're going to use, and this time it's America, it's US dollars, and we're getting £1 buying $1.33. So how many dollars did it cost her? We need to multiply our £54.99 by the exchange rate. So we're multiplying by 1.33. And that gives us an answer of 73.1367. Now make sure you write down the full answer from your calculator. We want unrounded answers, so then we can round the answer to 2 decimal places. Now we do that by looking at the 6 in the third decimal place, and as it is more than 5, we're going to round the 3 up to a 4. And remember to put units on our answer, so Emma's top cost her $73.14.